Indian origin court interpreter Meenu Batra has released from the US Immigration Customs Enforcement the custody after spending several weeks in detention following a legal battle over her arrest. She had lived in the United States for 35 years and worked for many years in the US court system. Meenu Batra is 53 years old, as in known for working as a certified interpreter for Hindi, Punjabi, and Urdu languages in immigration courts in Texas. She was taken into custody by ICE in the mid-March and she stopped at the airport in Texas while traveling for work. She later held a detention facility for weeks. Her detention became controversial when federal judges reviewed her case and raised concerns about how she was treated during the custody. Well, the judge, she said, was held without proper legal processes and did not receive the fair procedural protection during being detained. Because of this, court ordered release and blocked any attempt to detain her again without proper legal steps. Well, during this time detention, Batra said that she felt deeply humiliated and treated unfairly, even thought that she lived and worked in the country for decades. The lawyer argued that the government did not clearly explain why she was detained after so many years of legal work and contributing to the taxes and growth of the United States. Her attorney said that the court confirmed important principles that the government cannot detain someone at the first place when they try to justify it later. They also said that the process, meaning the legal system, the treatment, must be followed when someone's freedom is involved. Batra had lived in the US for about 35 years and is also a mother of 4 children who are American citizens. She had worked as a court interpreter for more than 2 decades and is considered highly skilled in her field. So, some US politicians also criticized her detention. They say that she was not even a threat or maybe contributing to the system. They argued that immigration enforcement should be focused on just the serious cases rather than the long term residents with the families and the jobs. However, immigration authorities said that she had final deportation order back in 2000s and claimed that she originally entered the country without legal permission. They also said that work authorization does not equal the legal immigration status. Her legal team argued that she had protection and prevented her deportation to the unsafe conditions, allowing her to stay and work in the US, but now without a clear path to citizenship. The case has now become part of a wider debate in the United States about immigration enforcement and how long term residents are treated under detention laws.